Family recipes are more than just meals. They're memories, traditions, and love passed down through generations. For caregivers, these dishes can be powerful tools, helping create comfort, connection, and sense of home even during challenging times, like after hospitalization, a new diagnosis, or a change of appetite. Cooking together can become a meaningful moment in the middle of a busy caregiving day. It creates space for conversation that might not happen otherwise. Stories resurface, memories are shared, and a simple task turns into a connection. For many older adults, familiar recipes can bring comfort and a sense of identity, especially during times of change or uncertainty. On days when cooking together isn't possible, stocking the freezer with family favorites can offer that same sense of care. It ensures they have nourishing, familiar meals ready to go, something that feels like home even when routines are disrupted. But what about nutrition? Family favorites don't have to be unhealthy. Small changes like reducing sodium, choosing whole grains, or adding more vegetables can make beloved recipes more nourishing while keeping their heart and flavor intact. Making small nutrition changes can lead to steadier energy, fewer setbacks, and better support for recovery, helping both you and your loved one feel more balanced day to day. That's where personalized tools can help. Try the free recipe analyzer from AARP Personalized Nutrition. Quickly get a full nutritional breakdown of any recipe. With Meal Plan Creator, caregivers can add their favorite recipes, analyze them for nutritional value, and, if desired, adapt them to meet specific health needs, whether it's managing heart health, diabetes, or overall wellness. Because when food is made with care and shared with love, it nourishes more than the body. It connects us. Learn more and access free nutritional resources at nutrition.aarp.org/caregiving.